Listen up, people. Cars, they're everywhere. They're an integral part of our daily lives. From the moment you leave your house, you're surrounded by them. They dominate our roads and highways. But have you ever stopped, popped the hood, and wondered, what makes this thing tick? What's the secret behind its power? Don't worry, I'm not judging. It's not something most people think about. Most people see a car as a metal box that gets them from point A to point B, just a means of transportation. But I'm here to tell you, it's so much more than that. It's a marvel of engineering. Understanding how a car engine works is like unlocking a secret code. It's fascinating and complex. It's about appreciating the magic that happens under the hood, the symphony of parts working together, the intricate dance of metal and fuel that propels you forward. It's a beautiful mechanical ballet. So buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the heart of your car, the engine. Get ready to be amazed. Now, before we get to the fireworks, let's meet the main players in this mechanical orchestra. First up, we have the cylinders, the engine's muscle. Imagine them as vertical tubes where the real action happens. Inside each cylinder is a piston moving up and down like a caffeinated woodpecker. These pistons are connected to the crankshaft, a rotating shaft that transforms the piston's up and down dance into rotational force. Think of it like this: you push down on a seesaw, and the other end goes up. The crankshaft is like the pivot point, converting your linear push into rotational movement. Now, let's talk about how these parts work together to make your car move. It's a fascinating process that involves precision and timing. Picture this: a four-stroke cycle, a carefully choreographed ballet of intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Each stroke plays a crucial role in the engine's performance. First, the intake stroke. The piston moves down, sucking in a mixture of air and fuel. This is like the engine taking a deep breath, preparing for the next step. Think of it like breathing in deeply, filling your lungs with air. The engine needs this mixture to create the power it needs to run. Next comes compression, where the piston moves back up, squeezing that air-fuel mixture like a tightly packed snowball. This step is crucial for the power that follows. Now for the main event, the power stroke. This is where the magic happens. A spark ignites the compressed mixture, causing a small explosion that forces the piston back down with tremendous force. This explosion is controlled but powerful. This is the engine's boom, its moment of glory. It's what gives your car the power to move forward, a true symphony of controlled explosions. Section 4. From piston to pavement. The engine's choreography of motion. Finally, we have the exhaust stroke, where the piston moves back up, pushing out the burnt gases through the exhaust valve, like exhaling after a good workout. This entire process repeats hundreds of times per minute, a symphony of controlled explosions that power your car. Remember that crankshaft we talked about earlier? The up and down movement of the pistons turns the crankshaft, which in turn rotates the car's wheels through a series of gears and axles. It's like a chain reaction, with each part playing its role in perfect harmony. Section 5. Respect the machine, the enduring relevance of engine knowledge. So there you have it, a crash course on how a car engine works. From the pistons to the spark plugs, every component plays a crucial role. It's a complex and fascinating process, but hopefully, you now have a better understanding of the magic that happens under the hood. The symphony of parts working together is truly a marvel of modern engineering. Knowing how your car works isn't just about impressing your mates at the pub. It's about being informed and prepared. It's about respecting the machine, appreciating the engineering marvel that is the internal combustion engine. This knowledge can also save you time and money on repairs. And who knows, maybe one day, this knowledge will come in handy. Whether it's a roadside emergency or a simple tune-up, you'll be ready. Maybe you'll even be inspired to tinker with your own car, to delve deeper into the world of mechanics. The possibilities are endless when you understand the basics. Until then, drive safe, and never stop being curious. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep respecting the incredible machines that take us places.